be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out.
At the starting of the week, I tell me negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's sword and gun day. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
Check me out.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Here is the R34 Skyline. It's a pretty cloudy day here in New Zealand. We've got a couple of cool new parts for you guys that I'm yet to install, but I want to show you guys, get your thoughts, see what you think, and we're going to test fit them, see what they look like on the R34 Skyline. It's going to be cool, it's going to be exciting. Make sure you tune in for this one. Here we go. It is an R32 diffuser. So I actually had one of these on my old R34 Skyline. So it's got the fins coming down here in the middle. This goes at the rear of the car. I've chosen to go with this one because it's a little more aggressive than the normal R34 GTR rear diffuser. I like this design as well. It's a lot more aggressive and they look really cool. This R34 diffuser. Sorry, R32 GTR diffuser. So we'll quickly have a look. I've test fitted it quickly and yeah, we're definitely running into some issues for sure. This muffler is just way too big. So if you haven't seen this before, it sits up sort of just here. But the issue that we're running into is this muffler is just too damn big. You can see under there, like I've already cut this piece down here, but this part here is just too big. I could raise the exhaust a bit, but it's still too big. I think I'm just gonna have to get a different muffler because as you can see there, like it's not even, the sides aren't even close to being up, and yeah, it's already hitting, and then you know the muffler's gonna be hot, it's gonna burn right through this and it's not going to fit properly. So yeah, I think this whole massive cannon's got to go. Maybe go with some shotgun tips. Maybe you guys can recommend a good muffler for this, but that's how it's meant to sit. I mean, give you some idea. Just without it, it looks like there's just this massive gap there. It looks like there's something missing, and with the normal R34 GTR rear diffuser, it's just like a flat sort of plate. There's no really design to it at all, it's just really flat, whereas this R32 one, it's really aggressive with these fins down here. It just stands out more and just looks a lot better. But yeah, I tried quite a bit to get this to fit, but yeah, I don't think it's just gonna happen. I'm gonna bolt it up here, and then I've got a couple of brackets and stuff we can make up for the sides. But yeah, this thing is just too big, it's not going to fit, and yeah, I don't really want to force it. It's, you know, a bit of a shame because yeah, I want to get this on, it looks really cool. I just hate that it's sitting here, but yeah, I mean, it looks dope. I paid, how much? I think 600 for it, brand new, from the fiberglass place here in New Zealand. But yeah, I had this on my old R34 Skyline. It looks really good, and I want to do it again. Just without it, it just looks really bare at the back, and the front looks so good. I want the back to sort of match and have that aggressive style. So yeah, this one, we're just gonna have to park it up for a bit. We're gonna have to wait, but let me know what you guys think about this R32 diffuser on the Skyline. I think it's gonna look dope. I think it's gonna look really cool. You know, and add a whole new element to the back of the car, the rear of the car, just sort of to match the front as well. So that's a pretty cool new part that I've just collected as well, but I've got another one to show you guys that I need your opinion on. So at the same time as buying the R32 diffuser, I actually saw that he had these R34 GTR sort of rear arches. Now I'm sort of weighing up whether to go through with the wide body. If you've seen in a previous video, I do have a wide body kit, but with the wide body, obviously here in New Zealand, you have to get it certified, and that means getting the whole car recerted. So you know, just with this, we could just chuck it on the back. I mean, it has to be molded and stuff, make sure it fits properly, it's watertight. But it makes the rear arches look a bit wider, and I don't have to go through the whole wide body process. The wide body looks cool, but I still think it is a bit too wide, and it kind of ruins the lines of the R34, which I really like. But we'll go ahead, we'll test fit this, we'll see what it looks like, or you guys can see what it looks like. Let me know what you think, and if I should go with this or go with the full wide body. Alrighty guys, so there's a sort of sneak peek there, the R34 GTR arches. So it comes all the way down here to the skirt, all the way around. Probably look to cut it sort of, I don't know, maybe about there, a little bit further down. Fuck, how good does it look though? I reckon that looks pretty dope. And it sort of matched the lines of the rear, the front fender. Obviously with the front fender, this is the R34 GTR one, so it's a lot wider than the stock one. To be able to somewhat match that, we'll have these, I mean, it's probably, I don't know, maybe 10-15 mil wide, but you know, I could get away with this rather than having to do the whole wide body and getting everything sort of certified again, because that's just the major hassle, just getting everything recerted. But I think this looks pretty dope. I think this is better than nothing, and it gives that more GTR look. You know, I've got the rest of the GTR kit. You know, this is sort of the last piece to make it look like a proper GTR, having those rear flares, and then we'll have that diffuser there. Holy shit, that is gonna look absolutely insane. Look, those arches, yeah, that looks absolutely dope, I think. So for anyone that hasn't seen the wide body, here it is. So that would kind of sit up there like that, right across there. I mean, look how freaking wide that is. I don't know, it's almost like too bloody wide. So that will sit there. That actually looks so good. This would really take this car to the next level. That's the wide body there compared to these arches. What do you guys reckon? Now obviously keep in mind, if I do go the wide body route, yeah, it is going to cost a whole lot more, so that's not your guys' problem, but you know, it costs a lot more to cut into this, to be able to sort of panel bond it, and that sort of thing, and then get it certed. Yeah, it's going to cost a lot more money, whereas this is a cheaper option. Still looks good, and I think it looks better than nothing there. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. What should I do? What do you think will look better? Want to hear what you guys have to say. But fuck, she's looking pretty nice. I mean, just envision it painted with these arches, with a rear wide body, this diffuser on. Yeah, the back is gonna look dope. It is gonna look so sick. I hope you guys are as amped and excited as me, because since I first started this channel, it's come a long way, and you know, that's due to you guys too, helping me, supporting me, and showing love and support for the channel. So thank you so much. But got a couple of decisions to make. I know, but yeah, we've got a lot done recently. I'm really happy with the progress, and fuck, it's looking so good. So happy, so happy. And a quick plug for my other YouTube channel. Yes, that's right, guys. I do have another YouTube channel. It's called Next Level Motors Limited. I'll link it down in the description below. And on that one, I'm doing a challenge to flip my way with $3,500 all the way up to buy 3 supercars. So if you're into flipping cars, making money and that sort of thing, because I am a registered dealer, make sure you go and subscribe to my other channel. I really appreciate it. Make sure, if you haven't subscribed to this one, make sure you do now. Love you all, guys. See you in the next one.